In this video, I'll guide you through the how to add certificates to your LinkedIn profile. Whether you've recently completed a course or earned a new certification, adding these achievements to your LinkedIn profile is a great way to showcase your skills and enhance your professional presence. So let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and go to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now, from the drop down menu, you'll want to select View Profile. This will take you to your personal LinkedIn profile page where you can see all your details, including your work experience, education, and more. This is essentially your digital resume, and adding certifications can make it even more impressive. Next, look for the Add Profile section button on your profile page. This button is usually located beneath your profile picture and headline. Give that a click, and you'll see several options to enhance your profile. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Recommended. Click on Recommended, and you'll see a list of sections that LinkedIn suggests you add to your profile. These are typically areas that can enhance your profile's visibility and attractiveness to potential employers or connections. From the recommended list, you'll want to click on Add Licenses and Certifications. This option is specifically designed for adding any professional licenses or certifications you've obtained. Clicking this will open a form where you can input all the relevant details about your certification. Now, let's talk about what information you'll need to fill out. You'll typically be asked for the name of the certification, the issuing organization, and any relevant dates, such as the date you received the certification and its expiration date, if applicable. If there's a credential ID or a URL where others can verify your certification, you'll want to include that as well. Filling out these details accurately ensures your profile maintains its credibility. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, take a moment to review the information for accuracy. It's important to make sure everything is correct before finalizing. When you're satisfied with the information, simply click on the Save button. This will add the certification to your LinkedIn profile, making it visible to anyone who views your profile. And that's it. You've successfully added a certificate to your LinkedIn profile. This small addition can make a big difference in how potential employers and connections perceive your qualifications. Remember, your LinkedIn profile is an extension of your professional persona, so keeping it up to date with your latest achievements is always a good practice. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most of your professional online presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.